নমস্কাৰ স্বাগতম জনাইছোঁ আজিৰ এই ভিডিঅ'টোলৈ। আজি নৱম শ্ৰেণী কবিতা এ লেজেণ্ড অফ দ্য নৰ্থলেণ্ড কবিতাটিৰ প্ৰশ্ন উত্তৰ আলোচনা কৰিম। এ লেজেণ্ড অফ দ্য নৰ্থলেণ্ড বাই ফিবি কেৰী। আৰম্ভ কৰোঁ। Which country or countries do you think the Northland refers to? Answer. I think the Northland may refer to any extremely cold country like Greenland in the Earth's North Polar region. Question number 2. What did Saint Peter ask the lady for? What was the lady's reaction? Answer. Saint Peter asked the old lady for a piece of cake. The lady behaved miserably and kept decreasing the size of the cake. At last, she did not give him anything to eat. Question number 3. How did he punish her? Answer. He cursed her and made her a woodpecker. Question number 4. How does the woodpecker get her food? The woodpecker bores the hard and dry wood to get its food. 5. Do you think that the old lady would have been so ungenerous if she had known who Saint Peter really was? What would she have done then? Answer. No, she would not have done this. On the contrary, she would have given him a large piece of cake to make him happy, with a greed to get a handsome return. 6. Is this a true story? Which part of this poem do you feel is the most important? No, it is an imaginative story. It is a legend. The part of the poem where Saint Peter curses the old lady for being selfish is the most important part of the story. This is because it teaches us that we should not be immoral and should possess qualities like compassion, gratitude, and generosity. Question number 7. What is a legend? Why is this poem called a legend? A legend is an old popular story which is believed by many, but one cannot prove whether it is true or not. It usually contains a message or a moral and is narrated to children. This poem is a traditional story narrated to the children of the Northland. As the story has a supernatural element in the end, its authenticity cannot be verified. The poet himself says that he does not believe this tale to be true. Moreover, the poem gives a message of being generous towards fellow beings. That is why it is called a legend. Question number 8. Write the story of a legend of the Northland in about 10 sentences. Answer. The poem is a story of an old woman. She is asked by Saint Peter for food who has become weak because of fasting and traveling. The lady was quite ungenerous. She tried to make a tiny cake for him, but each time she tried to bake, she found it too large to be given away, and in the end, she did not give any cake to the saint. He becomes angry and makes her a woodpecker who bores hard, dry wood to get food. Her clothes are burnt to ashes, and she is left with a cap on her head. She continues boring into hard wood for her little food. Thank you. The end. তোমালোকৰ কাৰণে দুটা প্ৰশ্ন হোমৱৰ্ক। এটা হ'ল হু ইজ দ্য পইট, এইটো তোমালোকে জানা, আগতে ক'লোঁ যে ফেবি কেৰী বুলি। নেক্সট কুৱেশ্যন আছে হোৱাট ইজ বেলেড। তোমালোকে কবিতাটিৰ শেষত পাবা হোৱাট ইজ এ বেলেড। আৰু ইজ দিছ পইম এ বেলেড, এইটোৰ প্ৰশ্নৰ উত্তৰ তোমালোকে লিখি পেলাই মোক কমেণ্ট বক্সত দিবা। থেংক ইউ। আৰু ছাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰিবলৈ নাপাহৰিবা, কিয়নো তোমালোকে বহুতখিনি ভিডিঅ' আৰু পাবা।